Hi Gemini, this is Chava Triana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this butterfly oracle deck. We do have the Mystic Moon oracle deck with respect to your love life. Lastly, I'm going to use Celtic Lenormand for a quick message as well. Nice, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Ten of Swords. Geminis, in this period, you are under immense pressure. You may have felt as though things were falling apart or everything was crumbling before you. Perhaps the pressure was also being caused because there was knives being sharpened or there was betrayal which you had to deal with. You were feeling helpless, but then you could have got some respite because help was at hand from members of the opposite sex. I think for some of you, the financial burdens were also there, which had affected you immensely. Sometimes, your decisions with respect to your life or your career could have baffled your loved ones as well. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Swords. I think you have to be quite firm and resolved with respect to career matters or with respect to your professional life. You have to take those decisions and be firm. Maybe there could be arguments with family elders, perhaps a father figure, but you're being asked to be pushy. You need to promote your talents. I think you want to make the most rather than let go of opportunities that are coming your way. Influences for this month, we have the Five of Pentacles. In all likelihood, Geminis, you'll be a bit relieved if you let go of something which is no longer helping you. This will definitely give you peace of mind. Some of you should also be careful because you could lose your belongings or you could misplace them. Sometimes, you would also be better served if you would not jump to conclusions. Maybe you should clarify or you should clear the air before assuming anything or before speaking something. Nevertheless, I think this is a month when you will definitely be the center of attention. I think you could also feel a bit challenged because your routine could be disrupted. Maybe you're also dealing with people who are not systematic. Basically, you're somebody who wants system and order. Perhaps you have to defer work as well or assignments or tasks that are at hand. The first 10 days of August, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely communication is going to be heightened in this period. Communication is also going to bring in rewards. I think you need to capitalize because the opportunity is there to make gains. You will definitely get what you desire. Incidentally, in case you are looking for better job opportunities, you should be patient. But then you should not also set your hopes too high in case you are looking for that job. Geminis who are already employed, I think you will be able to accomplish a great deal in this period. You're focused on the job at hand, but sometimes, we get distracted. So maybe you're going to put that task away and you're going to focus on something else. Even while dealing with clients, I think you will realize it is better to make allowances rather than let go of opportunities. Sometimes, you may be feeling as though beggars can't be choosers. Incidentally, this month, I think Geminis, you should be careful because you could be losing your cool or you could be quite temperamental. Maybe you should not shower your anger on all and sundry. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you're coming across as a person or as a boss who is giving others the freedom to carry on with the task. Though there are some workers who will show gratitude, but then there'll also be those employees who take advantage of your goodness. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Three of Pentacles. In this time, you are being asked to collaborate. Perhaps you should put your ego aside and you should listen to the viewpoint of others. Minor gains can also be expected in this period. I think you're also somebody who wants to enhance your skills. This lady here, she's polishing her skills or she's working on something quite creative. So in this time, you could also be coming across as a very creative person, very imaginative, if I may say so. I think praise is also going to come in because your work is on track, or maybe your ideas are going to find some takers. Incidentally, Gemini, this is also the time to repay some debts. Basically, it's going to be a very rewarding and productive period. As the boss, I think you should appreciate the senior workers. Maybe the management is going to take sides here. That is why you may feel as though bias exists within the home or within the work front. Towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Two of Swords. In this period, I think you have to decide very quickly. Maybe you need to deliberate with an elder person, perhaps a senior figure, maybe even a father figure, and find answers to the problems that you're encountering. I think it's the Swords energy, so you're going to be quite decisive. Besides, I think you're going to use your intellect to good effect. Basically, I think Geminis in this time you have to find solutions to the problems that are there. You have to act immediately. Sometimes, you could also be called upon to play the mediatory role. Incidentally, in this time, also money could create misunderstandings. Sometimes, you may feel as though the onus is entirely on you. I think even on the work front, you should be more attentive. Maybe there could be mistakes which you have overlooked. Basically, these few days could be quite hectic for you, but you need to capitalize because the energy flow is such that you'll be able to complete a lot if you're going to act quickly. Again, in your relationships, you should be a bit more tactful this month. Maybe you need to be also mindful of people who are not being upfront or maybe they are dishonest. Geminis, I think you need to catch up on your sleep as well because lack of sleep could also leave you blowing hot and cold. Ideally, this month you're going to be somebody who needs to nip issues in the bud. Maybe there's also betrayal on the cards. So you need to be mindful of that as well. Time could also be at a premium this month. With respect to your love life, we have the card Release. Perhaps it's time to let go of those relationships which are no longer serving you. Maybe you need to detach yourself. Maybe sometimes you could come across as somebody who is quite clingy. So this is why I think it's time to focus on your own self as well this month. Incidentally, single Geminis, you can definitely expect yourself to be the center of attention. Definitely, you have several admirers. Maybe they are charmed by your personality or your physicality, even your intelligence, because we have the Swords energy right here. You're also somebody who could leave a suitor heartbroken. I think you're going to hurt this person's ego. Nevertheless, he's also going to make that effort to reach out to you. Perhaps he wants to have that last chance. I think work colleagues could also make a pass at you, but you may be disinterested. Maybe you're also not going to realize the same. Geminis, at times you could also find the idea of settling down very scary. Perhaps there are people who want to play Cupid. That is why you could be disinclined. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Basically, Geminis, you definitely have love on your mind. Maybe you are trying to understand this person's thoughts on the social media. Sometimes, you may feel there's a deep soul connection with this person because your thoughts seem to be aligned. This could also make you a bit emotional. I think in case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, you may feel as though you're the one who's always making the effort. You don't want to come across as someone who is very persuasive. That is why I think you want to let go of this connection. Romancing Geminis, I think you should be mindful of your words. Maybe you're coming across as somebody who's too analytical. This could be a turn off for your person. Ideally, I think you should be more romantic. Maybe you needn't analyze every move of your beloved. Though this person is mirroring you. You could also be dealing with an insecure lover. I think your person thinks that you have affections for somebody else, but you want him to release those thoughts. You don't want him to hold on to that thought. That is why this card here, Release. Definitely, you will also be planning date nights. Perhaps you're also dealing with a busy lover. You have to accept the situation. In case yours is an on again, off again relationship, I think you could be surprised to hear from this person. Maybe this person you're dealing with also wants to share his grief with you. That is why he could reach out to you. Nevertheless, you will realize that this person was always or has always been thinking about you. Incidentally, in case yours is a secret romance, I think you should be a bit careful because there could be suspicious loved ones. Even if you're in a third party situation, I think you have to wait. Maybe this person is scared of the repercussions. Maybe he doesn't want to talk about this relationship in public. Marriage Geminis, I think you need to be more tolerant and patient with your person. Maybe your partner is quite demanding this month. I think the health of a loved one could also be a cause for concern for many Geminis. Maybe this is why you may feel as though money is being spent on medical issues. Ideally, I think both of you need to work together and find solutions to the problems that you're encountering. Incidentally, your spouse is also somebody who's going to be there by your side when you encounter those problems. I think Gemini, you should also be more accommodating of your in laws. Maybe they think you're a very dominating person. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're being made the scapegoat or that you're being accused for no rhyme or reason. But it would be best to maintain your poise rather than let your poise desert you. Perhaps overreacting to situations could also aggravate or compound matters for you. Ironically, your spouse is also somebody who wants to pacify you when you're in a sour mood. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think you'd be a bit disturbed because your person could talk about the unhappy connection or the unhappy relationship with a third person. Basically, you don't want anybody else to be privy to whatever is going on between the two of you. Some of you should also not put up with abuse of any kind. From Lenormand, we do have this card here, woman or lady. I think a lady is going to play an important role. Maybe you need to take responsibility or you're coming into your own. Perhaps as a female figure, you're going to be responsible for those under your care. We did have somebody could be unwell around you, so maybe Geminis, you're going to be taking on that role. You're not somebody who's going to shirk your responsibilities. I think there could also be issues with the female person, perhaps on the work front or even on the home front. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we do have this card, Courage. Certainly, Geminis, you're being asked by your angels to have the courage to make the change or to create a difference in your own life. Maybe you fear certain decisions that you're making. The fear of the unknown could also be daunting for you. Nevertheless, I think you need to be positive and you need to be hopeful. Perhaps you should not look too far down the road. I think Geminis, you're being asked to break out of your comfort zone, or you need to be more assertive as well with respect to your goals and ambitions. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Shara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings lined up. Have a look at them as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.